Hello and welcome to today's lesson on the greenhouse effect. Our plan for this lesson is as follows. We'll begin by learning how certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat. Next, we'll understand why the natural greenhouse effect is essential for maintaining life-supporting temperatures on Earth. Finally, we'll learn how human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have increased the concentrations of greenhouse gases, enhancing the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming and climate change. So far, you are familiar with the factors affecting the Earth's temperature, the balance between radiation and emission, and how these principles explain everyday temperature variations. Building on this foundation, we will delve into the greenhouse effect, advancing our understanding of how radiation interacts with atmospheric gases to influence global temperatures. This knowledge is crucial for understanding the physical processes behind climate change and the measures needed to address its impacts. The greenhouse effect is a natural process where certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat. This occurs when these gases absorb infrared radiation emitted by the Earth's surface and re-radiate it in all directions, including back towards the surface. This process creates a thermal blanket around the Earth, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. The most significant greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, water vapour, and nitrous oxide. When infrared radiation from the sun reaches the Earth's surface, some of it is absorbed, warming the planet. The Earth then emits infrared radiation back towards space. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb a portion of this outgoing infrared radiation and re-radiate it, directing some of it back to the Earth's surface. This re-radiation of heat helps maintain the temperature of the Earth's surface and lower atmosphere. The natural greenhouse effect is crucial for maintaining life-supporting temperatures on Earth. Without it, the Earth's average temperature would be about -18 degrees Celsius, making the planet far too cold to sustain most life forms as we know them. The thermal blanket created by greenhouse gases ensures that the temperature remains within a range suitable for ecosystems to thrive. It plays a vital role in our climate change system, allowing for the development of diverse habitats, liquid water, and conditions conducive to life. While the natural greenhouse effect is vital for life, human activities have significantly altered its balance. The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas for energy, along with deforestation and industrial activities, has increased the concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This has enhanced the greenhouse effect, leading to global warming and climate change. Consequences of global warming include rising global temperatures, melting polar ice caps and glaciers, increased frequency of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts and heat waves, rising sea levels, the disruption of ecosystems, and loss of biodiversity. Fortunately, we have identified a number of methods to mitigate the enhanced greenhouse effect. These include transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Similarly, implementing more energy-efficient technologies and practices in industries, transportation, and households. Additionally, protecting existing forests and planting new trees helps absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. This ties to a larger point of the role of governments and international bodies. These work together to implement agreements aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In today's lesson, we identified the major greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, water vapour, and nitrous oxide, and learned how they absorb and re-radiate infrared radiation, which maintains life-supporting temperatures on Earth. We saw that without the natural greenhouse effect, Earth's average temperature would be far too cold to sustain most life forms. We then explored the enhanced greenhouse effect caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, which have increased greenhouse gas concentrations and led to global warming and climate change. This has resulted in rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, extreme weather events, and rising sea levels, among other issues. Finally, we discussed measures to mitigate the enhanced greenhouse effect. Understanding these concepts is crucial for addressing climate change and ensuring a sustainable future. Watch the rest of the GCSE physics course at Sophos Education.